Back in the days of my dad, who was a mechanic, when I was a kid growing up, whenever they needed to find a part for a vehicle, they pulled up the old paper manual, they opened it up, and they found the part in there that they needed. Illustrations were in there to help guide them, but they needed to search through this paper catalog and find the part that they needed. As the digital evolution came about and those companies that printed those catalogs or other companies that knew that those needed to be online, they started creating electronic copies of those catalogs and moving those into what are called electronic product catalogs. Those have stuck around ever since then, and many of them have become quite antiquated systems and experiences online for those customers. The choice now is when those companies decide to update, do they continue to go to the industry provider of electronic parts catalog and they simply take the newest version of what they offer and they begin with building that out, or they have a choice now to upgrade to a modern commerce platform. You can build all those capabilities that electronic parts catalog have on a modern commerce platform. It takes an investment, but what you end up with after that investment is a foundation for innovation. Now you have the opportunity to take advantage of all the other innovations that are going to happen out there and connect into these e-commerce platforms. Those electronic parts catalog platforms are going to struggle to have that kind of connectivity into an ecosystem of innovation that's going to be going on. They're the kinds of companies that don't do a lot of technology projects, and so they often need a guiding hand to help them understand the business decisions they're making, the investment decisions they're making, and what the product, what the end solution will be when all things are done. We can build it for them. We can design an experience that they're going to appreciate and that their customers are going to appreciate.